Alrighty, also I'm out here at Melvern Lake today. We're going after blue cats. I didn't bring the big cooler, so we're not keeping any fish. Just hopefully going after some big fish. Hopefully a bunch of them. So stay tuned, here we go. There we go. Getting all turned around. It feels like a good fish. It's good. He's fighting hard though in this shallow water. I don't know, he feels really good. He ain't a bad fish. Oh, he's pretty good. Pretty good. Small log. Yeah, we made it about 150 yards from where we started this drift. So maybe they are shallow. Pretty nice fish. That's the thing about being in the kayak, drifting when you catch them, is that you're reeling and you're drifting back towards the fish. So you're not really wearing that fish out till you get to him. At least what I've noticed. All right, I'm getting you now. My first ever Melvern blue cat. I've been here 2 times, one pre-fishing a tournament and then the other was for the bass fishing tournament. And I didn't do real good. One day I'll learn to quit putting my thumb in their mouth. There you go, first fish. Not a bad one. Good start. Sweet. Getting back. So I'm using some pretty decent sized gizzard shad. I like to cut like a 3/4 inch slice, then hook it down through the belly. That seems to have been working. Oh yeah, he took that down hard. Oh, he come off. No, dang it. Must have been skin hooked. Oh man, he hit that hard. That one just got hammered. caught a monster. And I was hectic. It's almost up the other line. I don't know how I'm gonna get him in. Oh. I have a mess. Huge mess. Probably won't be able to hear me talk because all the wind. There we go. Nice one. I've lost 2 or 3 fish. Just, they weren't hooked good. Felt like good ones. I'm in literally 2.5 foot of water, 3 foot of water. And he took off like crazy. And then he got in my other line. I think he came off. I don't know. Because he was hooked in the side, and there's no way that happened. I think he came off and got rehooked. Maybe in my other line, I don't know. That's a nice fish. Let's get it back. Now I got a bunch retying to do. Well, I think that's about gonna do it for this trip. I got the 2 fish. I had a lot of bites where I caught that one. Hooked up a couple others, they just came off during the fight, filming with cameras. But I hope this one turns out all right. It was a good time. It was just a kind of a grind. The wind picked up and it kind of made it really, really tough to control my drift and just everything like that. So I'm just anchored up right here by the bridge and see if we can't get into something else. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Show you what I caught on the cast before. That's a shad.